आपका क्या मानना है सर कि अगर आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो और आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड है या बॉयफ्रेंड है, ये आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑन एन एवरेज घटाता है, बढ़ाता है? व्हाट इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन?
आई मीन इसको सीधा सीधा मैथमेटिक्स बना देना भी अपने आप में एक प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ डिफरेंस व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द JEE or NEET thing, you're talking about teenagers. When you talk about the UPSC thing, you're talking about young adults and adults, right? Because वो उसकी मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन है कि आप ग्रेजुएट होंगे. यूजुअली आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट होते हैं. इसका मतलब है कि आप 21, 22, 23 साल के से शुरू होकर 27, 28, 30, कई बार 32 साल तक. That's a period where you, if you are not having a companion, you're calling it boyfriend, girlfriend relationships, then there's something seriously wrong with you, isn't it? Need to understand. अब आप इसे बिना मतलब कि ऐसी कोई ब्रह्मचार्य की तपस्या बना देना चाह रहे हैं तो अलग बात है. Otherwise, you are in relationships. You're supposed to be in relationships. It's healthy if you're in relationship. But it doesn't necessarily means that it will have a direct positive thing with your success. Because that is another problematic area that has come, ki as if the success is essentially a product of your individual efforts. It is not. Individual efforts are only one variable there. Important variable, but just one variable. There are several other variables. That includes what your privileges are. Which class, which caste, which community, which region you're coming from. What your background is, which school, which college you studied, who your parents are, and several other things which I've not yet given, right? So all these things play, and your individual efforts play. So इसको reduce करना कि भाई this one variable will make or mar. There'll be people who have healthy relationship but failed. There'll be people who are in the toxic relationship but still cleared. There'll be people who are out of relationship, did not clear. There are people who are in relationship or multiple relationship and cleared. You visit Karol Bagh, you visit Mukherjee Nagar, you'll have story of all kinds.
Wow.
So let us not reduce it to one variable. It's a multi-variable equation.
Very interesting, sir. Very interesting कि relationship में आओ now that has not a high lobby कि आपका एग्जाम निकलेगा कि नहीं. It is a function of lot of things.
Lot of things. Yeah. But it is obviously true that if you are in a supporting relationship, because I've been saying it कि जब आप इस तरह की प्रिपरेशन में होते हैं, ये एक ऐसा फैक्टर है जो आपको अकेला करता है. आप में बहुत एकाकीपन लाता है. और ऐसे में if you have a companion, if you have a buddy, he or she can be a friend, he or she can be a romantic relationship, he or she can be some other form of relationship, or you can have multiple people, one with a romantic relationship, other with a buddy thing. All these social structures help, right? Also need to understand कि सारे प्रोसेस को अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, आप तो कोटा फैक्ट्री की बात कर ही रहे थे. अब कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन आर नॉट अ लोन वुल्फ अफेयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अकेले दरवाज़ा बंद किया, 18 घंटे 12 घंटे पढ़ा और उसके बाद आप कहें कि मैं ज़्यादा तैयार हूँ. नाउ इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम, आप कहाँ रहते हैं, आपका टिफ़िन वाला कौन है, आपका कोचिंग कौन सा है, आप जिस लाइब्रेरी में जाते हैं वो कौन सी है, आपका मटेरियल देने वाला व्यक्ति कौन है, आपको सपोर्ट देने वाले घर पे कौन है. ऑल दिस इज फॉर्मिंग एन इकोसिस्टम. एंड नाउ the civil services or competitive examination, after this popular culture thing has come, social media has come, a hype is given to these selections and success and failures. Now it has become a product of the ecosystem.